Hello, my friends. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure to create the most succulent stewed lamb chops your taste buds have ever encountered. This dish is all about warmth, comfort, and pure satisfaction. A hug in a bowl, if you will. Imagine tender, fall-off-the-bone lamb chops, bathed in a rich, deeply flavorful sauce. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to curl up by the fireplace with a good book and a happy heart. So let's put on our aprons and get cooking. Before we begin, let's gather our trusty ingredients. For this recipe, you will need lamb chops, because, well, no lamb chops stew. Onions. These will melt down to provide a naturally sweet base for our sauce. Garlic, because everything tastes better with a touch of garlic. Tomato paste. This will add depth and richness to our sauce. Red wine. Trust me on this one. It adds a layer of complexity that you won't regret. Beef broth. This will be the backbone of our flavorful sauce. Fresh herbs, rosemary and thyme are my go-to choices for lamb, but feel free to experiment. Salt and pepper, our trusty seasonings to enhance all the wonderful flavors. Olive oil, for searing the lamb chops to perfection. Our first step is searing the lamb chops. This is a crucial step because it creates a beautiful brown crust on the outside of the lamb, locking in all those wonderful juices and adding a layer of flavor that you just can't achieve any other way. Heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, carefully place the lamb chops in the pot, making sure not to overcrowd them. Sear them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they develop a gorgeous golden brown crust. Remember, we're not looking to cook the lamb through at this stage. Just give it a good sear. Once they're beautifully browned, remove the lamb chops from the pot and set them aside. Don't worry, they'll have plenty of time to bathe in the delicious sauce later. Now, let's build the foundation of our sauce. Add the chopped onions to the pot and cook them over medium heat until they soften and become translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. We're building layers of flavor here. Next, stir in the tomato paste and cook for a couple of minutes, allowing it to caramelize slightly. This will deepen its flavor and add a touch of sweetness to the sauce. Now, it's time to deglaze the pot.